Hello, my name's Derek Spears. I'm the Product and Application Specialist for Norboard, who are the manufacturers of ContiBoard. Normally, people only assume that you use ContiBoard for making shelves. I'm going to show you that you can use it for a lot of other things. I'm going to show you how to put a multimedia unit together. Very useful for keeping your CDs and DVDs, your game consoles and your flat screen TV. It's a good idea to draw up a plan of what you're going to build, even if it's only a rough sketch. This can give you the sizes, the height and the width of your unit, as well as the depth and how many panels you're actually going to require. Following the plans for my unit, I have already pre-cut the panels to size. I'm now going to mark and then pre-drill them prior to assembly. So I'm marking one edge of my panel, and when I've done it, I'm going to put the line on this side. At this point, you should continue marking and drilling all your panels prior to assembling them. When using screws to fix your unit together, you can use a cordless screwdriver or a handheld screwdriver. We actually recommend a handheld screwdriver because you can't over tighten the screws in the chipboard. Going all the way through. If you wanted to, you can actually put a countersink in here so the screw head sits in flush, like so. I've marked the edge. I'm now going to drill a pilot hole that corresponds with the hole in my end panels. I've pre-drilled all my panels and I'm now going to start assembling the first unit in my multimedia centre. So I fitted one side and my shelves. I'm now fitting the second side. And that's the first of my 3 units complete. Following the same principles as I did when I assembled the side units, this unit uses a variety of different widths and lengths of panel to create the stand that the telly is going to go on. The last panel on this unit is the top panel. Now I don't want to put holes in the top panel showing the fixings, so what I've done is I've put extra pieces of wood in the top here and also at the back, and I'm now going to fix up through these into the bottom of this panel, and that way you don't see any fixings on the top. With the panels that have been cut, if there's an exposed edge, you need to put iron-on edging on like this. This is my 4 units completed. You can either use them individually or, as I've done here, as a whole unit. They can be different heights, different depths, using panels from the ContiBoard range.